Hello? Is there anybody there? Is there anybody watching anymore? Hey everybody, welcome back to Truly Artrageous. I'm Neil, and I want to apologize to all my subscribers and viewers out there for being away for so long. Unfortunately, this is not my only job, although I wish it was. And sometimes, life gets in the way. So I won't bore you with any of those details. We're back at it. And today what we're going to be doing is drawing French toast. So it should be super exciting. Before we get into that, one of the big goals at our channel here is to reach as many people and teach them how to draw. The way that we know that we're achieving our goal is by the amount of subscribers that we have. So if you'd like to support the channel and our cause, go down below, click that subscribe button, slap the bell so you get our latest content, and come have some fun with us. All right. Let's get into drawing French toast. Here we go. Okay, let's get started. So for this one, obviously you need a piece of paper to draw on. You need your writing utensil. I'm using a marker, but feel free to use a pencil or a ballpoint pen or whatever you're most comfortable with. And then on this side, I'm showing you my color palette that I'm going to use for the coloring step. Feel free to copy it, not color it, copy it if you like, or you can use your own colors. Okay. So first step, we're gonna draw his scarf because he's a French toast and he has a scarf. I don't know. Okay, so it's just gonna be a couple of little step shapes. So we're gonna go like this. And then we're going to take off of this line here and draw it diagonally down to about there and just kind of cap it off like that. And then along the bottom here, we're just gonna draw a straight line across. All right, next we're gonna add some definition lines for the folds in the scarf. So that's just kind of coming off of this line here, like that, and this line here, like that. Then we're gonna add the end of the scarf, kind of a little indication of the end of the scarf here. And that's gonna come around like this, and down like this. And we'll put a little line like there and connect it back up. So it looks like it's kind of hanging over the side of maybe the breakfast table. Okay, now let's draw some bread because I'm sure everybody clicked on this video and said, I want to draw some bread. I can't wait. So I'm here to fulfill your wishes. Here we go. Here's some bread. So it's gonna be kind of a curved out line like this. You're gonna curve it around again till about the center. Curve around again like that. And then back in and down like that. So it's almost kind of like a heart on top of a box. And then because there's crust on our bread, we are gonna draw the crust. So that's just gonna be a line that mirrors the first outline of the bread that we just did. All right, next we're gonna draw Mr. French Bread's eyes. Not French bread, French toast. Man, get it together, Neil. All right, so that's gonna be two kind of oval shapes right here in the center. Draw one like so. And then off of the other around like so. Next, we're gonna draw his eyelids. So that's gonna come around, curve over like this. Same thing on this side, curve over like that. Next, we're gonna draw his irises and pupils. So those are just gonna be some semicircles here, kind of coming around down like this. Same thing on this side, coming around down like this. And then the pupils are just gonna be little circles in here, like that. Same thing over here, like that. And we'll color those in just a bit and leave a little open portion to indicate that light source. Next, because he is very French, he's got kind of a smirky smile going on. So we're gonna draw a little smirky smile. So that's gonna come up like that. Put a little definition line for the smiles. Smiles? A smile. He doesn't have two smiles. But he does have two indication lines there. So you'll add the little indication lines, just kind of a curved line like that, and then another smaller curved line above that. Okay, so what French toast would be complete without the mustache? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna draw a line starting here. It's gonna go all the way to the outside, curve around like that. Same thing on this side. We're gonna go out and around like that. All right, and now we're gonna add kind of how the egg burns on the French toast there, or gets baked into the French toast. We're gonna add some indication lines to make it look like the top of a French toast. So it's just kind of whatever shape you wanna do. It doesn't have to be anything special, just some organic shapes. All right, now we're gonna add the pièce de résistance, the beret. So that's gonna go up here. It's just gonna be kind of a very thin oval shape, like that. And then the beret kind of is like almost kind of a peanut shape. So you're gonna go out and down, down, and then connect back in like that. And then the berets have like a little, I don't know what that is, a je ne sais pas right there. And then we'll add some indication lines to show the creases in the beret, just like this. And that'll do it. Okay, so now we have our line drawing for Mr. French Toast. I'm gonna go ahead and do the coloring step really super fast, starting right now. Voila! Ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. French toast! All right, I hope you guys had as much fun as I did drawing and coloring the French toast here. Before you go, I want to let you know about a friend of mine who is addicted to doing the hokey pokey. Every day, all day, you put your right foot in, you put your right foot out. So we admitted him to a hokey pokey hospital to cure him. And I called him the other day, and he said he's turned himself around. All right. Thanks everybody for joining us on this video. We'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.